Hi everyone. So, according to me, open source work is one of the key factors that lead to rapid development and rapid innovation. And today, in the AI-led era, we have a particular issue where the number of developers trying to improve the open source software has exponentially increased, whereas the developers maintaining it is still the same. So, maintainer time is now the key resource. So this is why I want to introduce Maintainer Guardian. So what Maintainer Guardians basically is that it looks at the issue that's being raised. It looks at the repository context, at how the repo is structured, and basically does some AI analysis led by Gemini versus some deterministic analysis to get the risk score and the review time taken by the developer. And this basically results in a prioritized review queue. And ultimately, this is how the change looks like. So before Guardian, we had 100 contributions, and by the time those were done, there would be 200 to 300 more contributions, and the maintainer would be burnt out. But now, time is protected, and well, we have automated clarification requests going out to the people who pushed the issue in the first place. So without further ado, let's look at the product. So this is basically the command center where the maintainer can look at what to do and has a lot of actions available at their fingertips. Let's look at a very high risk issue. So 95 means almost certainly that it's not good. And here is the recommended action. Why that happened? That is a mix of deterministic analysis and AI analysis. So the issue basically are here. So this is basically a possible non-existent file and it has no reproduction steps. This is basically the rewrite preview. So it's an automated message that can be sent to the developer who raised this issue in the first place. This was done with Gemini, with the help of Gemini, which basically drafted a good detailed message as to how the developer can improve their submission. For the maintainer, they can basically sort this out in any way they want to. Other than that, to make it transparent and so that more developers can sort of push easy requests in, this is the transparent rubric for the deterministic analysis, which basically gives a score depending on how severe the issue is, which is missing. After that, it goes through a Gemini analysis, which sort of gives the end result as to what's the probability that it's rubbish and not worth the maintainer's time. Other than that, there are various analytics here. This is, of course, just mock numbers, but this basically shows the maintainer how to go about and how to prioritize their workflow. And I feel today in the AI-led era, this is a very important tool that needs to be used to ensure that more and more issues can be sorted out quickly and that maintainer time is protected. Thank you very much.